welcome to my vlog. And this is under my, I just bought it. Well, I was in Walmart today and getting tired of wearing the medical masks. So I was looking at the M Mission brand, and supposedly it's an adjustable Gaiter, I guess is what we're calling them now. Here we go with the trends. Remember we were doing the spinners is a trend. Well, now we got so many masks out there. You got clear ones you can see over your face. You can see through your. You can see through. You've got, of course, your medical mask, which are your everyday masks. And then they've got another one. It's called a cooling. This one appears to actually have some sort of breathable face on it. I believe this goes down around your mouth. So if you're not wearing it, you actually have a neck brace. I guess you can pull it over your head too if you want. You want to keep your ears warm. And this goes over your ears and down. Let's see. That's supposed to be. Those are supposed to be facing up. I'm wearing it upside down. So this here goes around your head. I was wearing it upside down. You wear it around your neck. Like so. That band is in the back. See this thing here. It's got a little squeeze. It's got a spring loaded. Get it started so you can get it pulled out here. So you can get a hold of it. You're gonna need your. Okay, there you go. Got to get it up. Got to get it started. And then the spring loaded clip there. Take care of that. So now you got it. So now you got it set. You have it under your ears, and then pull that up to get it to mate with whatever you want. So you can put it up over your ears, I guess. You want. I guess main thing is it's behind your head and over your nose. You can get it as tight as you want. So I guess I'll be trending on the masks. Get this. Okay. On the mask. Make sure they're pulling the same on both sides. And that's how that's going to look. Just like so. And you've got your little band on the back side, pulling everything together in the dead center. So one size fits all once you get the band adjusted. M Mission all season adjustable Gaiter, moisture removal. Tech helps keep you dry and comfortable. Seeing the rest of it here. Let's see. Reusable and machine washable. Ultra breathable fabric. Helps release excess heat and moisture. UPF 50 sun protection and maximum comfort. Adjustable draw cord for custom fit, which is what we're just doing here. So see, see, our ultra breathable sweat manageable fabric transfers moisture away from your body, keeping you feeling fresh and dry. Vapor active technology, moisture removal technology, releases excess heat and moisture buildup, so you can stay dry and comfortable. Plus, it will never wash out. Alright. Of course, I got disturbed because the cat brought her a mouse or a rat, one of the things, so she's screaming at me. So, anyway, I guess I'm going to start doing evaluations on these for a while. And I'll let you know which ones work the best. I kind of saw this one because I think some of them work good while I'm working in the garage, cut down on dust and stuff like that. But I think that's basically all these are designed for, is just our COVID situation. But nice thing about it, again, you can wash it and then reuse it. So this was, I bought this at Walmart. It's $19.99. You wash it a couple of times, you got your money back over using the medical masks. As far as I'm concerned. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. Catch you on the next Crosby's Vlogs.